Okay, so I have memberships basically set up. I'm going to go through kind of each part of it so you can come in here and you can update the text and what it's called as needed. So I'm going to come over here to your dashboard. And if you haven't already done so, don't forget to update Stripe, PayPal, and Facebook for WooCommerce. So there's a couple places you'll go, and I'm sorry that they're different places and it's not more like clear, but you have three things going on. You have the actual membership, the subscription product, and that's how the customer is charged. And then what I've called tutorials, which is what we have protected with that membership. Now I can change this from tutorials to anything else. You just need to let me know and I'll go in and edit that. If you wanted to call it memberships or whatever, we can edit that. But I've created a custom post type here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that in a new tab. I'm going to go ahead and open up memberships in a new tab. And I'm going to go ahead and open up products in a new tab. So these are the tutorials. This is what you are selling to your actual members. So it might be information plus a video. It could be about anything. And when you go to edit these, it's literally just like editing a regular WordPress page. And I'm just putting in some dummy text here. So we have test tutorial and test tutorial 2. And now I'll just view each of these just so you kind of know what's going on. So there you go. It's just a regular page. And if you didn't want to have a sidebar, I can show you later how to take away the sidebar. Next, we have the product that they're going to actually buy in order to purchase the membership. So here I just set up a product called sample membership, and I'm going to go ahead and edit it. And most of it is going to look like a normal product. You can go ahead and you can add in your text. You can go ahead and add in your pictures. Everything is like a normal product, except when you come down here, the product type, you can do two options. You can do a simple subscription. So you might do $200 every month, day, week, year, etc. And I'm going to go ahead and just say it's a virtual product. But if you wanted to offer them options, for example, in some of my subscription products, I offered a discount if they paid yearly and a small discount if they paid every 6 months. So to do that, you're going to do what's called a variable subscription. And so you come down here to variations. And it's going to tell you before you can add a variation, you need to add some variation attributes on the attributes tab. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to go over here to attributes. So I'm going to click add custom product attribute. And in this case, I want to do subscription length. So I'm going to add month, 6 months. I'm going to click Save Attributes, and now I can go to Variations, do Add Variation, and click Go. This, you want to do a month. You want to expand it. You could do a whole separate picture for the monthly one. Click Virtual. Subscription price, maybe you're doing $10 a month. And you could specify a free trial if you want. I'm going to click Save Changes, and then I'm going to add another variation. And this time I'm going to do 6 months. Come down here. So for this one, I did every 6th month. So maybe I'm giving a little bit of discount. So I'm going to do $54 every 6 months. Click Save Changes. Then I'll add one more variation. And in this case, this is for the year. So I want to do every year. And there's just $100 a year. So I'm going to click Save Changes. I'll go up here and I'm going to click Update. Now I'm going to view my product. So here's my sample membership, and it says from $10 a month. So I could choose it's $10 a month, $54 every 6 months, or $100 a year. And so they literally just would sign up. Once they've purchased it, that's controlled by this membership plugin. And this shows you members. There's no members yet. I'm going to do a test member in a moment. So for membership plans, right now I have this VIP membership. You can either create a new one. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and just create a new one so that if you want to create a new one, you'll understand what to do. And you could have multiple memberships, even purchased from the same product, or you can create different products connected to different memberships. So what I'm going to do is click Add Membership Plan. So I want to grant access upon the products purchased. You're going to search for your product. I think that you can just do, like, did you see how it opened up all three? I think you can just select the top one. Subscription tie, subscription link, so that says the membership will be active as long as the purchase subscription stays active. So if they don't resubscribe, it removes them. Then restricting content, I'm going to click Add New Rule, and I want to restrict all of those tutorials. You could restrict a product. You could add, if they're a member, they could get a discount on products. A members area, this is just a portion of the My Accounts page. And then your email content. So you have membership ending soon. You can come in here and you can edit these emails. I'm going to go ahead and click publish. So it warned me that this was blank. That means that this is restricting all of those tutorials, which is what I wanted. There's a couple other options you can go through under WooCommerce settings. I just want to show you in case you wanted to adjust something. So here we have memberships. So right now, if they try to go one of these test tutorial pages and they're not logged in, then it's going to redirect to a page. And the redirect page is this content restricted page that was created for you. And you can add anything to that. In addition, you can do hide completely. You can do hide content. For example, I'll do hide content only. And I'm going to click Save Changes. And then I'm going to show you in an incognito window. That means I'm just logged out. So when I go here and I try to go to that test tutorial and I'm not logged in, it doesn't think I'm a member. It says, to access this content, you must purchase sample membership. Or what I could do is I can go and I can do the redirect to a page. So if you had a sales page you want to redirect to, you could do that. So I'm going to click Save Changes. So in this content restricted page, this little short code here gives a little message about where to go to get it. And sorry, you can't see this. I'm just adding something here. So this is just a regular content restricted page. And so then if I go to that incognito window and we try to go to that test tutorial, you'll see that it's redirected to that page. So that's kind of your options there. And then you could go, oh, I have to purchase the sample membership. And there you go. So let's talk about what happens. So let's talk about purchasing the membership. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a sample purchase. And to do that, I always use a coupon so that it won't charge me. I'm going to go ahead and create my first coupon here. And you'll see here, I have a recurring product. And I'm going to leave that open. And the only email that I'm going to be able to use is just that email. And that basically means that I am the only person that can use that, just so that someone else doesn't accidentally use it. So I'm going to publish that. And I'm just going to go through your checkout process real quick. Now, yours wouldn't work as well because you don't have a, so I'm going to go ahead and check out, because you don't have Stripe and PayPal set up. So the only thing I'm going to be able to do is basically pay via my coupon code. So now I'm going to go ahead and just create a fake account. So I'm going to click sign up now. And I've signed up. So now when they go to my account, which once we get everything set up, you're going to want to add a part up here, like maybe it says shop, and underneath it would link to their account. So if I go to my account, when I'm logged in under this dummy account here, you'll see that I have access now here. I can go in and take a look. I can go to back to dashboard. And this is what people would see if they just logged into my account. And I can go to my membership. They can also take a look at my subscription. So they could cancel their subscription here if they needed to. And then what I would suggest doing is, because it's going to, if you end up adding a lot of information, it's going to be a little confusing for them to come back here and see this content. Now, if you ever decided to do a specific product to go with the membership, their products would be here and they could download them as needed. But what I would actually do is create a separate page. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do for you is go ahead and add a new separate page, and we're going to have this, and you can come here and adjust this as you want. And I'm also going to go ahead and just add a new essential grid, and the essential grid will have a link to all of your tutorials so they can quickly find it as needed. So I'm going to fast forward through that because the whole essential grid is like a whole nother tutorial. All right, so real quick, I created this membership page, and that's blank just because I didn't get the featured image in there. So now I just click the link in it and I go there. And I can see it because I'm logged in. Now I'm going to go ahead and restrict that content. So to restrict that comment, you're going to come down here to WooCommerce memberships, and you'll see I'm a member here. I'm going to go to my membership plans. I'm going to click edit. And as far as restricting content goes, I'm going to do restrict page, and I'm just going to restrict to that one page. I'm going to click update. So I'm going to log in real quick using I'm going to go to that page using a different browser. So if you see I go here and I go to that membership page, it's restricted me to the sample membership. Remember, I have it set to redirect to this specific page. But if I'm logged in, then it shows me the membership page and I can go to the tutorial that I want. And we can style this later as well. One other weird little note that I have to do as well is that virtual orders, for whatever reason, and I'm still kind of working on this, you're going to have to go in and manually set it to completed. That seems to be just a WooCommerce little bug. So I just go in here and hit completed and click update, and then it's fine. You've already got payment and they have access. I don't know why you have to do this extra step. It's just a little WooCommerce bug. All right, so going forward, once you have everything in place that you want, what I would do is we should come in here and add a spot where they can, you might want to call it membership, and you could do like join the membership, and you could link to the product or have that go to the product, and then you could just do sign into membership. And once they are logged in, they can go to the membership page. So one other thing I wanted to do was adjust what's under my account. So if you go back to WooCommerce, memberships, membership plans, edit membership, go to members area. So here I'm going to go ahead and I just want to show the content. They've got no products, discounts, notes, and manage. And I'm going to click update. So now they're at my account and they go to memberships. Then all I can see is content and manage. You don't want that other stuff because you're not really using it. Let me know if you have any other questions.